Hey everyone, Jim Reiser, SwimLessonsUniversity.com. Welcome to our swim class series. I'm working with a young group of 3 to 5 year old Swim Strokes 201 class, and we're working on freestyle side breathing. A lot of them have the general idea, and so we're just going to share with you what they're doing and then how we can refine this further, okay, to make it a more efficient stroke. All right, let's start with Abram. Ready to go? All right. If you look at this arm underwater. All right, Abram, why don't you do that again for me? Ready to go? We're going to look at his stroking arm right there. You can see him taking a couple extra strokes with pulls underwater, and we want to eliminate that. So Abram, what I want you to do is I want you get your breath. This arm is doing a couple extra paddles. I want this arm to pull right through and round for your next stroke. All right? Let's do it from this angle and see if he can correct that. So you can see this arm, and if we can stop it from doing those extra paddles. All right, we're gonna back it up a little bit more. All right, ready, breathe, stroke, stroke. There you go. Okay, so that there, we did an extra paddle. And that hand goes in, pull right through and around, straight through and around. There you go. All right. Maybe a little better, but that's something that we got to keep focusing on in his freestyle. Let's take a look at Bobby's. There we go. Three strokes. Okay. He's doing a good job of his breathing. Good. He's going to keep getting stronger. Keep it up. I think overall right now, he's doing a really good job. Practice is king. The more we practice this, the stronger it's going to get. Let's look at Declan. Declan, three-stroke stroke. Ready to go? All right, now, so if you saw there, Declan's breathing just a little late. Her face is still out of the water when her arm's here. So Declan, as soon as your left hand goes in the water, I want you to breathe, and when this arm comes out, get that head right back down. Ready to go? There it is, like that. And good, that was better. And that was better. Okay, getting her face down a little quicker. And one thing that I like to tell them there again is when the left hand enters, if they're right-handed, that's when you want to turn your head to the side, and as the arm comes over top, to be putting that face back down. We have one more, bear. Let's see your freestyle side breathing. Ready, bear, go. All right, let's get it. There we go. Ready? Let's do some more ear in the water. Three-stroke, stroke. Those are, again, some pretty good strokes right there and breath. I would keep working on that, make that stronger before we make any more detailed corrections with him right now. Now, I did do this one at a time for the filming purposes. Generally, I do have an assistant here, and we go 2 at a time, so they're getting maximum practice. All right.
If you found this video helpful, leave your thumbs up and comments below. If you're looking for a step-by-step, complete training and certification program, head over to SwimLessonsUniversity.com, where we put the science back into teaching children to swim. In the meantime, if you haven't already done so, click subscribe and turn your notifications button on so you never miss a video when we put one out. And remember, no other sport skill can save a child's life. Give a child a lifetime gift. Teach him or her to swim.